What's up, guys? And today this video we are playing Phantom Forces in Roblox. Let's get into it. Let's go. So I got all my guns, everything. Okay, I have to mute this. Okay, so I'm pulling some Phantom Forces, and I think there was someone there. I was not sure. Oh my god, you scared the poop out of me. I also killed. Oh, dang it, I died. I didn't know he was there anyways. Oh, grenades. Oh, there's someone definitely here. Okay, I'm running. Sounds like the Civil War. What? Whoa, that's a great gun. I'm probably gonna make more Phantom Forces videos. Oh, look, the new gun. I'm gonna make more Phantom Forces videos for you guys. Or more Roblox, but Meep City, Jailbreak, the normal elevator, or more games. I don't want to keep on making like different games, so you guys don't. I want to like make like a series kind of like a story mode game. Oh, someone's there. Oh, he's up there. Oh, that's our teammate actually. Zigzag. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Oh, cover. Ah. Oh. Somebody definitely here. Okay, my teammate just took care of that guy. But if I had enough ammo, I feel like I could have died, to be honest. Oh, pick up. Die. Ah! Oh my god! I was so close. He was looking like 20% of health. Oh my god. I love these kind of shooting games. Like, I love these shooting games, guys. Oh god. I have a time limit for my videos. So, if I like say bye somewhere and it was like getting exciting, that's why. I only have 15 minutes and I can see my time. I don't think you can see it, but you can see on YouTube. Die, die, die! Oh! Anyways, I couldn't defeat that clan. Okay, so, sorry about that. I need you to pause. Anyways, anywho, I'm still making YouTube videos. It's been one day, and it's just probably 2 days making videos because it's 11:48. Oh! There's someone there. There's someone definitely there. Alert everybody. Oh god, I got hit. Oh my god, that guy's a master. Well, he died, I think. A. I'm not a great player, but I am a player. Oh, these glitches! It glitches every time I move my gun. Or like at least, like of course. It said I had a new gun. Oh, equipped that mama. Wait, did I equip? Well, no. Equipped. Oh, this is going down, buddy. Ooh, buddy. I don't think this is a start again. I think this is the... What? Okay. Okay, okay, so we're supposed to get off. Oh, God. I cannot kill people here. It's so annoying because it's so glitchy. That's what's the annoying part. I feel like this is Battle Royale, but it's not. I don't know why, and I feel like this is not Roblox. Assist. And I was hitting someone. I was... Well, that's one way to gain. Okay, I got eyes on the point now. Actually. I don't even know. Oh my god, this is so glitchy. What? This is so glitchy. This is so glitchy. Oh my freaking god. Okay, but I'm gonna end it here. If you liked that video, please subscribe. And if you haven't do it, please turn the notification bell. And see you guys later. See ya. I'm Peter. Keep on gaming.